Have you ever thought about harvesting your own honey without disturbing your bees? Meet the Flow Hive 2, a revolutionary beekeeping system that makes honey harvesting easier and more efficient than ever. The Flow Hive 2 builds on the original Flow Hive's groundbreaking design. It features special flow frames that allow honey to flow out directly from the hive with just a turn of a key. No need for expensive extraction equipment and minimal disruption to your busy bees. So, what's the cost? The Flow Hive 2 starts at around $800 for the base model, with options like cedar wood, extra flow frames, and enhanced ventilation features pushing the cost up to $900 or more. If you're new to beekeeping, additional protective gear and starter kits might add another $200 to your initial investment. The concept is simple. Inside the hive, specially designed flow frames let bees build their honeycomb and store honey as usual. When it's time to harvest, just insert the flow key, turn it, and watch as the honey flows directly into your jars without opening the hive. But how much honey can you expect? A single flow hive can produce up to 40 pounds of honey per month during peak production, depending on your local conditions and the health of your colony. That's about 4 to 5 jars of delicious home-harvested honey every few weeks. Keep in mind that honey production varies with the season and availability of nectar sources. One of the biggest advantages of the Flow Hive is its minimally invasive design. By reducing the need to open the hive for harvesting, you're lowering the stress on your bees and helping maintain a healthy colony. If you're a beginner beekeeper or a seasoned enthusiast, the Flow Hive 2 offers a unique blend of innovation and tradition, making backyard beekeeping easier and more enjoyable. With a higher upfront investment, it's perfect for those who want to experience beekeeping with minimal fuss and maximum rewards. Want to learn more or see the Flow Hive 2 in action? Subscribe to our channel and check out the links below to dive deeper into this incredible technology.